enti no amaka say amaka kire mo say Monday no videos am nyina no it will be more of the budget explanation budget na to force in everyday ye no ene ho bebrebe o masama ma kire mo ha no a wo unhu no onte ase na unhu de ekoso Ghana ha no in fact under Jema mu no come here say Ghana for sebe ye yada ne nkoa ana ye som JM appointees on the staffers the presidential staffers and the MDCs ye som wo mu ezeko media no so a Omanhene any central phone be edwa life a ni nyina fa the salary of MMDCs Metropolitan Municipal District Chief Executives o makatua JM edebe mo bosome na ebusua enya asem koma media no so amafo buofu pa mo be koma adwen e wo ho me wan kire mu no akire wadwen ama me e wo comment section aha Penyah block media me so say ni di mu obe like video no da ma subscribe button so na be click notification con latest update na be kire wadwen de ama me e wo comment section etman fon kwa che kakra obe kia 2020 COVID-19 out of nowhere ana COVID-19 eba Ghana hanomo e my buy they declare state lockdown obia etna fie ye nyina hye dem ayese ye bobo ye ho bon person ebe confirm ni ade on say ye to school move for a full year but full year ni nyina no Ekufo government was able to pay teachers for that 1 year teacher ni bi anko class that but ye tie obi aka 1 year teacher ni bi ansi class that but Ekufo government was able to pay them 1 full year enti na eye me nwanwa se teachers for timika say Ekufo the wicked man hey mo bi pa there mo ye boni aye for do obi bia so mani wasase we so tina fie 1 year nie 1 year obi tua o ka hu mo bo tua ka bo simi bia abra wonya adwuma wonya ya so di hu aketua di and oba ye no amaya nhemu de o ye bia so gusu gi wa adi aketua full year but still yes say ba we wicked man nyame be hu nipa mobo na obeka at that time no Ekufo the wedding no so there began e kwa hu ye hia mo eti ma menya enhihye bi e no de nhye e ba ye say ne any government appointee just say enipa bia eye MPP government and appointee o ema wadwuma what I say oye minister cabinet minister oye MMDCE no obeti wakatua so.
My fellow Ghanaians, we are all going to have to make some sacrifices to afford us the space to navigate the troubled waters of the current economic difficulties. In the case of government, discretionary expenditures of ministries, departments, and agencies have been cut by 30%. The salaries of all political appointees, including myself, have been reduced by 30%. Fuel coupon allocations have been slashed by 50%, and other expenditures suspended.
Obeti wakatua so. Emma that time no na MMDC's almost salary at 6,500. There was a 30% salary cut. Ekufo the ti o market o mu nyina akatua so ministers, cabinet ministers, MMDCs or ti obi akatua so by 30%.
We've also decided to continue with the policy of 30% cut in the salaries of political office holders, including the president, the vice president, ministers, deputy ministers, MMDCs, and SOE appointees in 2023, just as we will continue with the 30% cut in discretionary expenditures of ministries, departments, and agencies.
Ekufo adi we Ghana ye muntia what oye kra no ono na point is na omubuofu no ade ba ko ema Ekufo na kasa na point is o man penasem this policy that 30% salary cut from the government officials no ade we nti enema even MP before that omu de na omu sikani bre Jimmy sikani bre ni Jimmy edidi omu tirimo no omu nwene Ghana omofu eno motomu Jimmy edidi omu adwene no omota Ekufo the wicked man ade we yentia just 30% ayete fra ketua mu no ede bo Ghana ho bra no enu entia ne o man ka se twom credit Ekufo the government now ye fa no nto nche we so na nsia we to Mahama tena akonya so no somewhere in February ana metin in front me say you know MMDCs Mahama na appointees omo no kire se o market o mu gie no metin no mu kire se enam 50,000 to 80,000 what I say and I was like, how true is this? I didn't know no crebe ni woman. It's not me go so you find this. Later, and I'm telling you one of the NPP communicators, I got to baby. Now what can say? MMDCs almost salary no at first na yetua 5,000 and more for the government no tua 5,000 and more but under Mahama obetua 35,000 cedis just at this kind 350 million and I say hey wait a minute.
Hey, do you know what happened? When our municipal chief executives were in office, including my own MC, Honorable Divine Bossy, do you know his salary? As at that time, when he was in office, 5,000 Ghana cedis. That was his salary. On record, you can check. Our MMDCs were taking 5,000 Ghana cedis. Today, do you know how much Efon John Dramani Mahama is paying his MMDCs? He is paying them 35,000 Ghana cedis. Egbe.
James, hold on. They were gonna mean there, but me MMDC or like 350 million a month.
350. That's 35,000 Ghana cedis. Gagogo 350 good million. That is what President Mahama is paying his MMDCs on record.
Yeah, former administration.
Former administration and Nana Dodan Kwakufado. He paid our MMDC 5,000 Ghana cedis. You can call Honorable Divine Bossing and ask him on record 5,000 Ghana cedis. Today, I will for Koku John Dramani Mahama. You are paying your MMDCs 35,000 good Ghana cedis.
Chairman, as well okay, I am no correct. Me go say him. But abusia, say I see rumor biano in every rumor there's a little truth. There's an iota of truth in it. There is a budget hearing any reading echo so. Na ye kwati ya. MMDCs o market tuano are at first na eda 5,000 cedis no. Now no yetua omu 35,000 cedis a month. Just say DC MC mayor for near iPhone o market to abosome 350 million 350 million everybody na DC omu ye de akomu ni nchiremu enjira je mama mo we mu no MC ekwatime ne MP ede ntokwa tetale ni MP kana DC yaka eho DC MP kanu waka MP kan na DC yaka because this unit say on kwa jacket akwa so no MP you know we akoda won anim what you say and the question is adwuma be pa na DC for me ye Ghana ha o beje 350 million for some soldiers for mo Ghana ho ban o market to ayese police for mo nkwa to ha ma Ghana as bibia ni a etuotu a DC bedwane police ni na be kwa animu so obetwe se kai DC obedwane police ni na be kwa animu watene nkwa akoto ha ma Ghana o market to ayese menya sure say police na get to 100 million menya sure said the average police officer menya sure say o market to e do 100 million do 10,000 menyi need that. But they were to DC 35,000 cedis, a government that promised to cut down on expenditure. John Dramani Mahama and the government that promised us Ghanaians that they will cut down on government expenditure. Now, no, they are rather paying huge to government appointees. Obi ayam to ne swaba. Says president na appoint to keke or no aketu akra so sin de oman mu nyina akọ 23 swaba cause MP for aketu akra no enuru 350 million a month enuru do moji enuru but these NMCs age 35,000 na community we are Ghana for no abedin koma afa ho na omo abe clash with Mahama Omanhene edimu ne ntime won be clash with Mahama
nanka ban frɛ no na obaye na wobepira no nanka be na mabefa won kadam otifie no pira ya eye me ba ne wo yade na sika ntwa no ene me wasodie na se so omna na momfa no kwa asra adwuma mu na baba bepira wo hon ma na nesi nya kokudro unse de bia na meka so ma na yete se adwuma ye ka oni padodo a ekọ hoyi obi wo hon ma na kuma mu no the personal one so be so jani bebre na wo hon ma eye because of unemployment situation wo mu eno ento de ko fa soja mu that is not the person ayeti se nurse adwuma ye bebre wo hon ma enye se ne passion so obeye nurse adwuma obi e ne passion no man me so akọ na se de nurse foi bi kasa na num kasa keke kra to ma hoto ono no to say ne person ni say obeye nurse no hwe nipa no bi ono ma wono to kwa na wo bre no ho kwa na hi
na no da man ka ye ma obi drip e wo bench so kolebu a nurse ni twem a o so kwa do nya bench da so ebi bo mo da fom
eyo
me ho ada ndi just
yo o man Ghana how many yemfia he na yedi
me do kwen fa
enfia he na yedi yeguso te ha obi be kwa kodu hospital yes there's no bed
me do kwen
there's no bed ena da na me bisa bia yi MP ni say agenda 111 hospitals aban yi hyase aban da hyase no bebe na kan wram aban so wo stand the best 600 million Ghana cedis ebese another 3 new regional hospitals. So my question is the obedient sakan ye na ebebo nipa bia won kronkra hodom no ada na ye fasa sika no into ma locate only 10 out of the number no and aban no eba be siesie
111 no
so what you say emudu na ban eba be hye awie
ohane ba ko
enti dia kan enkan wram na ye nsan fa na de sika enkoye hospital na den say dia na ya asoman
we need to set up
anyway
abanti abanati can now MMDCE now 5,000 cities and now MMDCE
oji ahe
35,000 Ghana cedi atagwe and ya
dabi omanya bo check can no asin can how many years ago 15 years ago anase
why 50 years
nanu ya imata mo ko no mde 5,000 bosome ena sesei omoja he
and 35,000 ejimidi nyumwe mo
ye kate cost omanya emonyu nansa twen oma twen omanti ye kate cost aha om se dia na MCs no mo ya nti ye mo 35,000
ohu di omo ye aban president isi anamu ni akane no metin fifre sa akoje 5,000 and aban hu say
5,000 kwa so akam e bia
akam aban hu say me engine of growth
oman 35 into you say no we ya ban crash penny abaje 350 million
ya ban crash penny
aban crash penny set in office
30 in office okofield
ko eden
okoyeju
and the flood ye ku ye nyina nya assembly aban crash for nya service na ye dey so bobo
35 e am 35
what you saying
I think 17-19 e mu back
oman MPs AJ 170 million na dada no sika no na aban crash for no AJ
35
350 million
oh how no say
oh man me say kan ye nya ntua o
yebetua
ye ni bi
yebetua
o man no monte so
yebetua
say 350 million
ye sha say ye tua won na gina aban na mu eni aban adwuma efo yi
eke nti kwa MC tami mo obeje 350
Kofara down for
Dabio man
say do say don't make kwa for some by the ka kokko
nti your friend say oh I am price so kwa usar ko oh bray bibi bonsu ato plans beje 350 million
yeah 35 just ke biasa me fa ko ba ko so enya ske biasa
enya statement say me yesika no na ya ka no
kan dey no so ajo mo ye no
omo ye den keka bi kire me omo ye den
omo che asofo
ka na otimu no ona disika toy fo na oto de disika
asofo a
oman me ba fo na otogu kadim na odiko yedma ye disika na odito fo no assembly office na wote no odu na etu assembly dan ka na
it is a wo house
it was there be me pesa meti ase e de na komu anti ye page free 5,000 akodu anko 10,000 anko 15,000 anko oman anko 20,000
ye hu se omo no mu gina ya na mu
eyeden
e wo mensi
eyeden
Karo o
ana says ka ombe si school dan wo mu ana
35 is when you pay ko DC for you have an idea
that you pay ko MPs so ne bi ko DC so
MP wala ka jira
me say ni pay ko MPs so no
MP ni ko bi
because so ni member of parliament no ono no 4 years eso ye na no wa ma ni sika na wo tu DC no no pa be ma pa o ma after onya na de ne betena so wan to aba mfa ma no. It's the pressure on members of parliament no ye be na what the chief executive ni MCs so
okay ye be this anko
oman sika no ye nya sa 35,000 into ya enti yam skamane finance minister ni penyifo nti asese sika ni ye nya ye benya 10
because 5,000 crack him
oman me see 35 no ye nya enti Ghana for me no nyina ye dia no 35,000 oman ye ni sa sika ni ye nya
Ghana Armed Forces for the Krataba it when a krata ni biakin kana se na karabem
o ma hwe na ye kwa tebubu health insurance keke me se lady ba ko ne mama so mu ni health insurance card o nkwara ne yare ye check ba ko moja ordinam 3 ni bo kita no ni moja da 3
it is say no
ada ye woni si ko de ne kwa hospital
na se sukra eja him
sa
ye sukra eja na abra meti ai edi uno fizi adwuma me yi me hit 35 ne 40
Until they be uncle for cano.
Saying.
Until uncle for cano.
Omokasa saying.
So be uncle politics.
There be.
Nadia.
We are Juma.
A Juma Bay.
Bois.
A Juma de
Boti.
Oh.
We are caterer.
Now when me try about born on Sanos to share so as when you 350
million. Now when him say obi bejana busia ho. Bosumi bebe de ono hu na busia boda. Ohu ne yere.
Omani en say o tumi jai kwahwe wabusia. Obi an say o.
E tu hu ache.
O tumi jai kwahwe wabusia.
Ba say onya ho nsu.
It is sad to hu ache na en say so obedidi e wo so besom. Enye ye na wo se e besom wo.
Omu didi omo ma obi ni ana.
Omani nye di e medi bi sika no ye nya.
Okay.
Edo so dodo.
E dey wada na to force him.
Sika no ye nya.
Minim da.
Finance minister said the whole of next year. Nipa be 150,000 ya de egufie no ansha yentumi absorb yom teacher ne nurse no ansha yentumi absorb yom
so you say when you na nyepe
ba be nya 350 million na ma ya bank crash penny bia Ghana ha kwa your district say 111 na say one say 100 oman sikada do so dodo yenya
so Carol Bremo na lawyer
350 million
yeah now the onya kwotena fika compound kwotasa dia wa ho me gm di fie o yewu yewu
oba akofo
kwada mieni obekasa sa oti omonka abra pokura me mienu
350 million yen ka 35,000 kra yen ka 35 100 million me ensa 50 million sa ka ho
kara kwa ba
ofa yeja ye tofu o ma no
ono ka se ya chim no je wa o gele
o de
ajuwe no no
ye che my half ada
ko ti chum
the perception we have about government appointees is not entirely true.
Okay.
I see that even when President Kufuor reduced our salaries, anytime I say it, they say it's news. My salary was reduced by 30%. And so I was taking just 40% as salary, which was a little below 12,000.
You're taking 40%?
Yes.
No,
because
70,
of taxes.
70%.
Because of taxes. Taxes.
Oh, it's still
and it was below 12,000.
Your salary.
That's what I said. Take home.
Okay.
What you take home is what we offer. So that's why I take home 40%. Yes, 25% tax, 5% Senate, 30% government decision, 40 is your take home. But do you find? Anytime I say they say, oh, that's why I'm actually mentioning for them to know some of the sacrifices we did. Anytime I say it, they say it's a lie. My president said this openly. But do you hear people discuss every time? Oh, no, and I did that. I had gone to office for about 4 or 5 months, and that decision came. So I took that amount for 3 years till I came home.
Appointees, Sikaswa. Hey, Nanado 2022. All the government appointees were 30% of their salary. The legend made by Miss Eda. Made the document to amount.
No.
Pay slip.
Pay slip.
As a DC. Check it. Check it. Month na ipiaka. Ne check it. Salary no balance DC salary aneje. After the 30%, na say.
Net
say
4,000.
Can be also be it.
4,681.75 cedis.
That was the salary DCs were collecting.
4,000.
Check it. Deductions no. Check it. Deductions no.
Okay.
Check it. Deductions no.
Deductions. Okay. Income tax 3,518. 30% salary cuts. 4,933. Societe Generale Ghana Limited. Is it BD? Okay. And no 807. And then 30% salary cut recovery. 1,600.
Okamboma, utifrima na net na me salary no say na be just DC
4,000.
So what is new?
And the nasi ya moye.
Legend.
Because you say oje lifestyle on the nam no want to make us say.
This is kasa. Bebre say after you free government bebre abekasa say we were taking less than 5,000. Ibiji 5,000. Ne bi nim say bia e ya
go. We sa kire wa adwen ama me. E wo comment section. How you Penyah Block Media Accra.